everyone, I signed up for DailyLook and I got my first box. I'm so excited to share with you guys. If you don't know what DailyLook is, it is an online premium styling service and you get to choose to receive a box every month, every other month, or every 3 months. And this is perfect for someone like me because I don't necessarily have the time to go shopping. So I like receiving packages, trying things on at home, and sending things that I don't like back. How cute is this box? I love it when companies spend a little extra effort to make the packaging experience that much better. So this is adorable, and look at this box. It is actually pretty heavy because you can get up to 12 pieces in your box. So how pretty is this? Here we go! Before I show you what's inside, let's take a look at the stylus notes that is included. When I signed up for DailyLook, I actually filled out a short profile, and that would help my stylist pick out what works for me. I left little notes saying, look, I'm basic, I don't like too many prints, and I love denim. So here is what my stylist had to say, and my stylist is Diane. Thank you, Diane, for curating this package just for me. Here she's talking about some of the products that she put in here. There's a BCBG jacket and culottes, and there's some denim, so I'm excited to see what's in there. And there's actually a brand that I really like. It's called CMO and Aster. So let's take a look. Cute, adorable bag. This is from Rebecca Minkoff. I don't know if you can tell, it's edgy, which is something I also asked for. Definitely like how you can see how it wears. I like the mini size, it's perfect for summer. I do like mini bags. They're just easy and crossbody because you have your hands free. So this is super cute, definitely a keeper. And here we have a summer dress, so into stripes right now, and this is by Aster. This is a cute slip dress, and I love the sides that are a little bit split open, and then it also has a tie, which is great because sometimes dresses can be a little big on me, and I like the fact that it has that tie in the back that I can adjust to make it tighter. But I can totally see myself wearing this on vacation with slides, with wedges for summer, or even as a cover-up. Ooh, and look at this. This is leopard. I love this because it's edgy. It's also fun. I love the asymmetrical hem. This looks like a perfect top to go out in at night and perfect for summer. So I love the whole summer theme in this box so far that I'm seeing. Something red. This is fun too. I've been wearing a lot of color lately just because of spring and summer coming up, but I also like that these aren't like way out there, which I didn't want because it's just not my style. But this perfect pop of red would be great with denim, also with some leather pants maybe, or even a skirt. I love the ruffles too. And jeans. Always need a good pair of denim. So this is from Warp and Weft. I actually have not heard of this brand before, but I like that they're boot cut, and I love this raw hem right here. If you can see that. I'm all about raw hems and a little bit of like distressing, so this is cool. It feels like it has a little stretch in it, so that's good. So I like to move around, and I like that it's high-waisted because I'm all about the high waist these days. Can't wait to try these on too. These are fun. I like this. This is very lightweight and it's flowy. I can totally see myself wearing this to the beach or to the pool. Also for summer barbecues with slides, of course. And this is a fun wrap sweater. It's also probably great for the cooler summer mornings and evenings. And I like that it has this kind of V-neck, because you can wear a peekaboo bra and add a little sexiness to it. So this is a great sweater. Oh, and these actually go with these culottes here. So this is a stripe set. Again, I love stripes right now, and also the two-piece. This is super cute. This is from BCBG. So this is the blazer, and as you can tell, it's really lightweight. Let me try it on right now. And last, I have a denim jacket from J. Brown. This is a premium brand, obviously, and I like that it's a little cropped. I'm actually really surprised that I got so many pieces in this box. We'll see how many pieces we got. I'm so excited to try these all on and pick which ones I'm going to keep. The great thing about this is you try it on at home, you can try it on with other pieces, which I like, and also with the shoes. It's very important. And then you have 5 days to try it on, which is plenty because I don't know about you, when I get a package, I open it up, I try everything on as soon as possible because I'm so excited. And then you return what you don't like, and it's free shipping both ways, and everything is included in here in this package that you get in your box. So ship it, and that's it. Thank you, Diane, for putting this box together for me. You picked amazing pieces. You really listened to what I liked and what I didn't want. And I know it's only going to get better from here. I'm excited to receive my next box and also style everything that you brought me here. Thank you.